English-Catalan lesson. May I equals
Puc.
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to sound extra polite in Catalan? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and study boosts. Today your superpower is may I. In Catalan, that's
Puc.
Think of it as a polite key that unlocks the next action. Tap it before you sit, open, or ask. Let's make it fun and unforgettable. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll ask for permission clearly and confidently. Master the core phrase.
Puc.
May I. Use it with common actions.
Seure.
To sit.
Obrir.
To open.
Fer.
To do, make.
Utilitzar.
To use. Level up politeness with
Podria.
could I, and add.
Si us plau.
Please. Know the vibe.
Està permès.
To be allowed, ask about.
Permís.
Permission, and even say.
No puc.
I cannot, when needed. Mini story. Cafe confidence. Listen and imagine the scene. You're the hero of manners. At a busy cafe, you spot a free chair. You smile, raise your hand slightly, tilt your head, and ask.
Puc seure aquí.
The person nods. És clar. You sit like a legend. Then a cat with a tiny bow tie appears at the door and politely meows.
Puc.
And yes, someone opens it. Politeness wins, even for cats. Forms and friendly alternatives. You've got options, pick the tone you need. Neutral and common.
Puc.
May I, can I. More polite.
Podria.
Could I. Formal alternative.
Em permet infinitiu.
Do you allow me to? Negative info.
No puc.
I cannot. Context check.
Està permès.
Is it allowed? Dialogues you'll actually use. Repeat after me and feel the rhythm. Who puck, then speak clearly. May I sit here?
Puc seure aquí.
May I open the window, please?
Puc obrir la finestra, si us plau.
May I ask a question?
Puc fer una pregunta.
May I use your phone?
Puc utilitzar el teu telèfon.
May I come in?
Puc entrar.
Could I sit next to you?
Podria seure al teu costat.
Culture tip. Polite Catalan. Sound local, sound kind. In Catalonia, asking with
Puc.
shows respect, and adding
Si us plau.
is a sweet politeness bonus. When in doubt, check the rules with
Està permès fer fotos.
is it allowed to take photos, and thank people with a smile. Pronunciation and gesture. Make it clear and friendly, your body helps your words. Say it like puck, short and crisp.
Puc.
Add the action right after.
Puc obrir.
Gesture. Raise your hand slightly and tilt your head forward as you say.
Puc.
Memory rhyme. When unsure what to do, ask with clue.
Puc.
Quick drills. Your turn, answer fast. I'll cue the English, you say Catalan. May I sit here?
Puc seure aquí.
May I open the window?
Puc obrir la finestra.
May I ask a question?
Puc fer una pregunta.
Could I use your phone, please?
Podria utilitzar el teu telèfon, si us plau.
Is it allowed to sit here?
Està permès seure aquí.
Quiz time. Let's lock it in with a playful test. Q1. What Catalan phrase politely asks for permission like, may I? A.
Puc.
Q2. True or false?
Puc.
Is used to ask for permission. A. True. Q3. Fill the gap. Underscore underscore underscore, ouvrir, la fenestra? A.
Puc.
Q4. More polite version of.
Puc.
A.
Podria.
Q5. Formal alternative with allow. A.
Em permet infinitiu.
Challenge mode. You're in charge now, make it yours. Create 3 requests using
Puc.
one with,
Seure.
one with,
Obrir.
and one with.
Fer.
Say them out loud. Bonus. Ask about permission in general using
Està permès.
plus an action. Extra polite remix. Turn one into
Podria.
and add.
Si us plau.
Remember, permission is a friendly door, unlock it with.
Puc.
Wrap up and thanks. Nice work, you sounded confident and kind. Today you learned may I, equals,
Puc.
plus,
Podria. Em permet infinitiu. Si us plau. Permís.
and checks like.
Està permès.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these mini lines everywhere, bus, cafe, office, and they'll feel natural. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and practice. See you next time.